Hey Law Academy parents, Cartray here, and we are getting ready to start our YMCA Youth and Government season, so I wanted to share some information with parents so that you're not surprised when things occur. YMCA Youth and Government is our largest competition as far as student involvement because it has mock trial, moot court, and mock legislative competitions, so we bring a lot of kids to this. And it lasts over an entire season. It starts now, and then if students make it all the way to nationals, that's at the end of July next summer. So the first step in this competition process is for students to do program registration. That is not done through Creekview at all. That is done directly with YMCA at their website for program registration. You can find that at ymcatexasyg.org. And your student has to have program registration done prior to being assigned to a team, because we don't want to commit to a team or to a partner in moot court a student that hasn't been registered, because then that might screw over their partner. Here are some important dates to think about, and then I'll talk about money a little bit more. The district tournament is at Duncanville High School on November 15th, 2025. If your student's team is in the top 10 there, or for legislative, we use a raw score cutoff that I get from the head of Ledge at Duncanville to determine who qualifies for the state tournament. The state tournament is February 26th through March 1st, 2026 in Austin at the Kalahari Resort and at the state capitol. So if a student qualifies at districts, they are expected to go ahead and go to state. YMCA has vastly increased their costs since I've started with this program. When I first started taking students to YMCA, it was under $500 for the entire season for a student to get there. Now it's almost $800 for an entire season, so we no longer have the resources to bear the brunt of that. So here are the costs to students this year. Program registration, which is done directly with YMCA, is going to be $55. The district registration is a little over $100 per student, and I take care of that completely for students that go to district. Going to state, the overnight travel fee for YMCA is $200 per student, and we got until December to get that once we know who has qualified. If a student is on free and reduced lunch, that fee can be reduced to half, to $100, but the student must apply for financial aid with YMCA, and as soon as that process gets out, I will share that with students that are competing. In the meantime, parents, if you have any questions about this competition or other competitions or anything that's happening inside or outside of class, please reach out to me, and I'm happy to answer those. Thank you so much. Bye.